Blur tool. This option is used when we would like to blur some pixels on the photograph. To do so, we would first need to select the brush size or diameter and strength from the option bar. Observe this photo. We have removed the wrinkles around the eyes of the model using the blur tool. Smudge tool. Multiple colors can be mixed together using the smudge tool. Observe this image. We have mixed the colors in the background using the smudge tool. Dodge tool and burn tool. The dodge tool is used if the brightness of a part of the image needs to be increased. To bring deeper tones into an image, the burn tool is used. If only a section of the image needs to be brightened or darkened, then the area needs to be selected using the selection tool.